Hi guys, my name is Sinah and welcome to today's upper body workout. I designed this class to help you strengthen your upper body, prevent any injuries, and also promote better coordination. So when you're ready, grab your water bottle, roll out your mat, and let's get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this video right now, please save it to your watch later and join me whenever you can. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started with some shoulder rolls. So take a deep breath in, sending your arms all the way up to the sky, and on your exhale you're going to go ahead and dive forward. Just let your upper body hang heavy, and as you come up, we're going to start coming up, rolling one shoulder up, then the other, until we come all the way up to standing. Once you come to standing, we're going to repeat this exercise, sending those arms all the way up to the sky for a deep breath in. Exhale, dive forward, let your upper body hang heavy, and start walking your shoulders one at a time all the way up to standing. Fabulous job. Let's go ahead and repeat this. Deep breath in, exhale, dive forward, and maybe alternate your starting shoulder as you walk yourself coming all the way up. Fabulous. We're really warming up our upper body. We're putting everything in its place. We're creating some heat in the body. Getting ready for this awesome workout we're about to do. But we're not rushing through the warm-up because we don't want to hurt our muscles. Rather, we want to strengthen them. We want to invigorate them, and the only way to do that is by properly warming them up. So really warm up those shoulders. Let's do this with intention. Setting the intention to fully allow our body to move as it should, and not straining any muscle, but protecting every muscle. Let's do one more. Fabulous. Coming all the way up. Deep breath in through your nose. Send your arms all the way up to the sky. Exhale, bring it to heart center. Then drop your hands by your side, and we're just going to go ahead and do some shoulder rolls. Let's do about 6 back and then 6 forward. So give me 2 more right here, and then come forward. I always enjoy doing shoulder rolls because I start noticing how it's not only my shoulders stretching but also my chest. So pay attention to that. Let's go ahead and do 6 back and 6 forward once more. Give me 2 more. Start observing if your chest is also stretching, your upper back, maybe your core even. Excellent. And when you're ready, go ahead and roll yourself down. Walking into a downward dog. Coming into this downward dog, stay right here. Sending your core towards your thighs and your thighs towards your core. Once you find this connection, take a deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out through your mouth. We're going to go ahead and do a downward dog sequence. So take a deep breath in stillness in your downward facing dog, and on your exhale, coming into a full plank. Hold this plank, sending your wrists towards your feet and your feet towards your wrists. And then on your exhale, coming back into your downward facing dog and immediately bending those knees and lifting them back up into a downward facing dog. So this is your sequence. Downward dog to plank, engage that core, back to downward dog with a bend in the knee and lengthening. Let's go. Keep on moving. We're moving with fluidity. And as you come into that plank, you're really engaging that core. And as you bend those knees, you're really plugging in that belly button. Let's continue moving. You're going to notice how as you continue to do this movement, different parts in your body are going to start to turn on. You're going to realize how different muscles are going to start burning So just observe how your body changes, how your body evolves. Fabulous job. Let's go ahead and continue moving. Give me 5 more right here. Really engage that core. Coming back into that downward dog with a bend in the knee. Give me 4. 3. 2. 1. Make it your best. Maybe hold that plank longer. Wonderful job. Let's go ahead and drop to your knees. Coming into a quick child's pose to reset. Taking a deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out through your mouth. One more breath right here. In through your nose. Out through your mouth. And then slowly walking your hands in. And rolling yourself all the way up. Excellent. We're going to come back into that plank position. And we're going to do a little bit of a feet sequence. So come into your regular plank. And let's go ahead and send our heels to opposite sides. And then allow your heels to kiss each other while opening your toes to opposite sides. Right, so let's repeat the sequence. Opposite, opposite. Heels open, toes open. Come with me, you got this. Heels, toes. We're gonna do this for 15. So give me 10 more. For 4. 3, 2, 1. Hold that regular plank. Drop to your knees. From this position, we're going to go ahead and engage your core. Shift your chest forward. Coming into a slow push-up for 4, 3, 2, 1. Pushing back up. 3, 2, 1. And then sending our hips towards our heels. Then back into that knee push-up. For 3, 2, 1. Pushing 3, 2, 1. Sending our hips towards our heels. And let's go ahead and continue moving. For 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Do this next one at your own pace. 3 counts down, 3 counts up. You got this. You guys are doing so amazing. Let's do this for 5 more times. Right? So slow and steady beats the race. We're not rushing. We're really working this time under tension. For 3, 2, 1. Pushing 3, 2, 1. Sending our hips back. Wonderful job. Let's do this. 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. It's okay if your arms are shaking. Mine are too. It's just telling me this is really hitting that spot. Oh God. 3, 2, 1. Fabulous. 2 more. You guys are doing so good. Last one. Make it even slower. Let's go down for 4 counts. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's hold and we push for 4, 3, 2, 1. Send those hips back. Release those arms. Let's take a breather right here. Deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out through your mouth. Wonderful. Let's go ahead and roll ourselves down onto our chest. We're going to do a little bit of a back sequence. We're going to come back into a Superman crunch. We're going to extend our arms towards the back, swim them forward, and drop our head as we lift. Extend, crunch arms, drop. Come with me for 13 sets. For 12. 11. You got this. Can you lift higher with your chest? Can your arms extend even further as they lift? Can you stay in each position for a clear second? Imagine I'm right there with you and I'm taking a picture of you in every movement, and I'm getting a clear shot of every single arm position. Give me 7 and 6, 5. My arms are already burning. Actually, it's my triceps specifically. Observe where in your body you're feeling this burn, and just notice it. And be so grateful that you get to move that area of your body. Give me 3. Last 2. Last 1. Hold. And release. Excellent job. Let's go ahead and do a quick stretch right here. Inhale, lifting your right arm all the way up to the sky. Exhale, thread it below your left. Coming into thread the needle pose. Inhale, lifting your left arm all the way up and cross it behind your waist and stay right here. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out. Let's do one more breath right here. Lifting that left arm all the way up. Placing it right in front of your face. Lifting that right arm all the way up and alternating sides. Inhale, lifting that left. Exhale, thread it below your right. Inhale, lifting that right and crossing it over your waist. And breathe right here for 2 deep, full breaths. Inhale through your nose. Exhale out through your mouth. Last one, deep breath in through your nose. Exhale out through your mouth. Wonderful job. Extending that right arm all the way up, placing it next to your face, lifting that left, and coming back into that tabletop position. Wonderful job. We're going to go ahead and come into a reverse tabletop position, and we're going to engage our core and our upper arms as we do this movement. So settling into this reverse tabletop position, taking a deep breath in through your nose, and on your exhale, lifting your hips all the way up to the sky. Hold right here. On your next inhale, we're gonna go ahead and bring our left knee to try to touch our right shoulder, and then place it back down. And repeat on the opposite side. Come with me, you got this for 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. So as you're moving this, we're engaging our transverse, which is the outer layer of our abdomen. So really feel how that outer layer contracts as you move. Give me 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. And release those hips down to the floor. Inhale, extend your arms forward. Exhale, give yourself a nice hug. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale, let everything go. On your next inhale, I want for you to give yourself so much love, so much love. Deep breath in through your nose. And on your exhale, even give yourself a nice little kiss. Let's try this one more time. Deep breath in through your nose. Exhale, give yourself so much love, even a tighter hug. Excellent job, and release everything. We're going to go ahead and come back into a regular tabletop position. So from this tabletop position, let's do a few cat-cows. Inhale, dropping your belly, lifting your chest all the way up. Exhale, hollowing that belly, taking a look at your belly button. Inhale, coming into that cow. Exhale, cat. Wonderful job. Let's do this about 4 more times. Allow your breath to guide your movement. So your breath should come before your movement. You guys are doing so good. I'm so proud of you guys. You should be too. Coming back into your regular tabletop position. When you're ready, slowly lift your hips all the way up to the sky, coming into a downward facing dog. Finding stillness in your body. Let's start pedaling your left foot, then your right. Continue doing so for a few seconds. Finding stillness in your body and finding a quiet space in your mind. Take a few deep breaths on your own. When you're ready, slowly walk your feet to meet your hands. Let your body hang heavy, and just like we started this practice, let's start walking our shoulders one at a time, all the way up to standing. Taking a deep breath in, sending your arms all the way up to the sky. Exhale, bring them to heart center. Closing your eyes. The love and light inside of me recognizes the love and light inside of you. Namaste. If this class served you in any way, please follow me on my Instagram account at Sinah for further mindfulness and movement content. Thank you so much for joining me in this awesome workout. Please download our Yoga Plus app for further fitness classes.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the pose library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.